Hey there, budget buddies. If you're using YNAB, that's you need a budget to take control of your finances. You're already on the right track. Today, we're diving into a super handy feature, scheduling transactions. This little tool can save you time and help you stay ahead of bills, subscriptions, or any recurring expenses. Stick around, I'll walk you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, open up your YNAB app or website and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the main budget screen. This is where all your categories and accounts live. Now, look for the Add Transaction button. It's usually right at the top or in the Accounts section. Click on that, and you'll see a form pop up. In the form, start by entering the details of your transaction. Type in the payee, like electric bill or Netflix subscription, and add the amount. Here's the key part. Instead of setting it for today, scroll down to the date field. YNAB lets you pick a future date for when this transaction will actually occur. Make sure to select that future date to schedule it properly. Next, assign it to the right category, maybe utilities or entertainment, so your budget stays accurate. If it's a recurring thing, YNAB has options to set it up as repeating, like monthly or weekly. Just check that box and configure the frequency. Once everything looks good, hit Save or Schedule. Boom, your transaction is now queued up and will automatically appear on the right date. Why is this awesome? Well, scheduling helps you visualize your future spending and avoid surprises. It's like giving your future self a high five. If you make a mistake, you can always edit or delete it later from the transactions list. There you have it. Scheduling transactions in YNAB is straightforward and a game changer for budgeting pros. Give it a try on your next bill, and let me know in the comments how it simplifies your life. Thanks for watching, and remember, budget smart, live better. See you in the next video.